All right, welcome everybody. Today is April 30th. This is our weekly habitat triage. Looks like we only have a couple issues, and then we'll review the PRs. Allow multiple scaffolding or something like have plan build plugin. It looks like there's a desire here to have a kind of reusable pattern. Yeah, has anyone given this a read yet?
I'm not sure why this couldn't just be addressed by sourcing other shell files. That seems like most of the benefit of working in a well-known language like shell.
Yeah, I'm trying to understand more. I'm not sure.
So I'm going to take a guess here that the those helper functions, they might not be source adjacent, so you can't directly source them, which means you distribute them as a package, and you'd have to source them at the right point. You couldn't in the build process to make sure you get access to them. If you distribute it as a package, right? If it's not a native feature to plan build, I think is possibly where they're going.
So they're looking to like have this, looking to have this script basically in a place where they can just reuse that across different.
Yeah, I think this is sort of what the Automate team does for their Go scaffolding. This is how they use their Go scaffolding. But I'm not super familiar with that. I'm just going off of conversations I've overheard.
Might be good to get their opinion in on this, see how similar it is to what they have, and if there's a way to structure this day without any feature changes on our end. Let's see. Okay, I will assign this to myself, and I can follow up with the Automate team.
This could also be a help wanted, right? There's a comment in there that says it could potentially be an easy implementation. So see if the community has any interest in helping with that.
I wish I understood why this. Okay. All right, I'll follow up with internally and see if there's a solution already at hand. And have package export Docker does not honor the builder channel. It's a tag bug. I mean, it seems like we should set this one.
Yep.
Is that exporter? It's fun when I can only read half the drop down. All right, and pull requests. These are pull requests with no assignee that are open in Habitat. So we have one PR to change Habitat, Chef Habitat, and documentation blog. Anyone up for reviewing this? will select people to review this. Is Ian probably the most familiar with the blog at the moment? No comment.
Not sure. I don't know if he is.
I mean, why not? Why not Kimberly?
All right. I thought I signed it. All right. That's mine. The rest of these look like they're internal PRs. These are all internal. That one's not pretty. No PRs. And Scott, anything to call out on core plans this week?
I've moved all of the RFC migration to accepted, and I'm opening PRs to start actually having those documents present in the repo.
Okay.
Yep.
I think the only thing I had on the agenda was to, we can make a decision here, and probably the best way to do this, but start going through triaging old issues. I mean, sorting oldest first, we have issues from all the way back in 2016. And I'd like to start giving people feedback on if these are things that we're actually going to get fixed or not. Do you all have recommendations on a good way to process this?
Honestly, I would close anything that's more than a year old. Like if we find that it becomes a problem again, we should always be searching for existing issues, and we could reopen so we don't lose context. But I feel like spending the time going through probably 500 issues that are not that relevant is going to be not a best use of our time.
Well, also, I think some product feedback on these issues would be important for some of them. But yeah, in general, if something's been around for over a year, probably should be closed.
Okay. I can. I'll take that offline. I can work on some language and just.
Yeah, I think maybe having an offline pass before doing a, in this, because there's 500 plus on Hab and over 100 on Builder, so talking about quite a bit of issues to go through in this form.
Yep. Okay, I'll take that off. I'll work on some language and start. We can start rolling on a plan to close old PRs and encourage any community members if they are still feel the issue is important, needs attention, like they can respond and reopen. And we can go from there. All right. Anything else for triage this week? All right. Well, thank you, everybody. See you all next week.